Hi, I'm Dr. Blossom Kochhar, and today I'm going to talk about pimples in humidity and how to look after it for skincare. So the first thing is, of course, we have the monsoon, which plays havoc with our skin. We have open pores, we get pimples, and our skin is always not looking fresh. Now for that, definitely you're going to have to clean your skin, not just twice a day, but 3 times a day. Use a good face wash to clean your skin. The next thing that I highly recommend for this sort of weather is an exfoliator. That means you have to take it out. So you can use a scrub, you can use a BHA exfoliator or an AHA, but you must, or you can make your own one at home by using some green gram sandalwood. Sandalwood makes a wonderful scrub. Sandalwood, orange peel, mix them together and then give them a slight scrub. Now that is another wonderful thing. And the third I highly recommend is that you use a face pack. Now your face pack should come for your kitchen. Use from your kitchen, and you can use yogurt with grated cucumber, and in that put 2 drops of lavender, or you can put a drop of jasmine, anything that you prefer. Use that on your face and you're going to find that that is going to cool it down, it's going to close your pores and give you that wonderful radiant skin. Do not use makeup except maybe for kajal in your eyes and a lipstick, but otherwise nothing else in this terribly humid weather.